Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today's video is going to be a little bit more serious. We're going to be talking about why I'm not going to be sharing my son a lot online. Now, if you're someone who's following me for a while or following me in hopes that you'll see baby updates, I really hope that you will watch this video all the way through, hear my thoughts, and really try to understand where I'm coming from. So let's get into why I made this decision. This is something that Jacob and I have been talking about since before Gideon was even born, and there's a lot of different reasons why I have been concerned about this. I stumbled across some videos talking about family vloggers and how they're really toxic, and this was already a conversation that I was having with Jacob, but these people brought up other very scary points, and it just gave more evidence and claim to what I was saying. So I'm going to leave some of the videos linked in the description box below so that you guys can check them out if you're curious on what I'm talking about. But basically these videos were talking about how very innocent videos of kids just living their everyday life or being put into playlists where people were looking at these, both male and female predators, and making these to be a not healthy topic. And I don't want to get demonetized, so I'm trying to watch my wording, but it's scary because what I don't look at things like that. I don't look at those at my son and have that mindset, so it's hard for me to know how to avoid that. And the best way that I can think of avoiding it is just not putting him online altogether. Now, I have shared pictures of him on my Instagram, on, TikTok. I have shared certain posts of him. You guys know his name. You know little bits about him. But as he gets older, I will definitely refrain from posting him online. One, he can't consent to that right now. He's a baby. And I understand you're probably thinking, why does it matter? He is a baby. Well, I want him to know that he has body autonomy, and I want him to know that even from a young age, he had control over that. If he looks back when he's 18 and sees that I have posted these videos of him online that he could be embarrassed by, he could be mad about, and that's something that I can refrain from doing. So that's why I want to do it. Also, I am scared for his safety. I worry that these pictures are going to fall in the hands of the wrong people. Just the other day, I had someone on my Facebook share that somebody that she's never known stole her pictures and her daughter's pictures and was living this fake life, getting money from these men online, pretending to be a single mom by using her pictures of her daughter. And that's terrifying to me. I don't want someone to know every detail about my son. It's not my details to share, it's his, and right now he can't share those. I do think that I will post, every now and then pictures of him, but it's not going to be a constant thing until he's old enough to give consent. And I will be sharing my life as a mother, so I'll be talking about motherhood, and he may come up in that. I still plan to do vlogs and stuff like that, so he may come up in those, but it's not going to be an everyday thing because I'm scared. And I know on the internet people can be not so kind, and quite frankly right now my mental health just can't help it. I feel like every time I say anything about my choices as a mother or about Gideon, people have things to say. Even if I'm trying to make like a lighthearted joke, people take it way too seriously, and I can't handle that. I have anxiety really bad, and I'm constantly in fear of doing the wrong thing, and when I'm getting so many different opinions being thrown at me, it's really hard. And I know that some of you are probably going to say, like, it doesn't matter, do what you think's best. That's just not something. I can't not help it but care what people think about me. So the best thing is just not putting him on there, putting myself in those situations to get those unwanted opinions, because unfortunately that happens. Even if I ask, don't give me your opinion. I've asked, hey, like, don't say anything to me about this, I don't care, and people still continue to do it. So that's why I won't be sharing my son online as much. I hope that you guys understand where I'm coming from, and I hope that you still respect me. And if you don't, that's fine. You can unfollow me. You don't have to follow me online. And if you were following me just to see my son, then I probably don't want you around anyway, because there's so much more to me than just being a mom. And while that is a big part of my life, that's not going to be the only thing I'm talking about. And so I hope that you guys understand. Thank you guys for listening to me rant. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.